Everybody. So today we're looking at parts of an equation. Now we have an equation here right now, and we're going to discuss the parts to this kind of equation. And the first thing is all these x's or letters, as you may call it, we call variables. Now, because this variable is attached to a number, we call this term. So we have first term, second term, third term, fourth term, right? Now, if you have these, they are not attached to any letters. So we call them what? Constants. Now, what we have right now, because I already have a term includes a variable, which are the letters, and also what? Coefficients. Now, all what we have on the left-hand side, we call this the left-hand side, or you call it LHS. All of this, if it's written alone or by itself, it's called expression. While once an expression is connected with an equal sign, meaning all of the connection with the expression and an equal sign is called an equation. Thank you for today's class. Kindly like, share, and comment. Thank you.